Step carefully into the rich, mysterious world of a wetland, marsh, or swamp. The air here is dense, thick with humidity and complex scents. The rich, dark smell of peat and mud, the specific scent of still water and aquatic plants, perhaps the sweet or musky odor of blossoms or decay. See the incredible visual layering and texture, water meeting land in soft blurred edges, cypress knees rising from dark water, hanging mosses draping like ancient curtains, dense stands of reeds creating intricate visual barriers, surfaces reflecting the sky and trees, creating disorienting beauty.